Here we are. Easton and Pawpaw are fishing today. Gonna try to catch some. What are you trying to catch today?
Bass.
Some bass?
They hard to catch. The cypress tree from in front of Academy Sport.
Oh.
I took some seeds and planted them. They got one there and one over there by that white pipe.
Oh.
Last year we put them in the ground.
Dad, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Go over here, guys. Mom, let's go over here.
I'm coming. Oh, come here, Boosie. Come see what I see. Watch out for that mud. Careful. Right in the mud. See, there's one right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right here. Oh, there's like 3 or 4 of them. You see them? Some fish?
Oh, yeah.
You don't see no fish?
Oh, yeah, I see them.
You do? Ooh, we're gonna catch one, hopefully. Yeah.
Oh, there
There
it is.
he is, huh?
There he is, guys.
Oh. There's Lily.
Lily.
Hey, Mama. No, he couldn't see the fish in the pond right here. Just watch out for the mud, Boo.
Don't go in the mud.
Oh, Papa's got one. Get it. Ooh, come get that.
Come get him.
Come reel it in, Boo Boo. Easton's gonna reel that in.
Get him. It's a bass.
Get it.
Reel it in.
A bass?
Reel it.
He said he was gonna catch a bass out here too.
Oh, we got him. You got him.
Good job. Papa gonna help you get it off of there, huh?
Oh, we got to take 2 more pictures.
Yeah.
Right here in front of Easton.
Oh, I see some more.
Okay. Let me get my camera ready.
You hold it out like this.
Yeah.
It's going to look really big.
Ooh, ready, set, cheese. Got it.
So slimy.
Lily, you want to reel him in?
Here, have your phone. Go ahead.
Come on, Lily. Look at them all right there. Look right there.
I know, we
Look
seen
at
him.
'em.
I know, that's what we seen earlier.
Come here, Lily.
Come on, baby, it's fine. We'll clean your feet off in a little bit. Lily's gonna reel him in too. Look,
Now you got one.
hold it and pull it in.
Hold it right there. And hold on
Reel
tight.
it in, just
Now
like
start
that.
Reeling. Lily got one.
Oh yeah. Pick it up. Keep reeling, keep reeling.
All the way to the beach.
Oh
Pick the
yeah.
pole up.
The marsh maybe.
Pick the whole
There we
pole
go.
up.
See, it's heavy, huh?
Yeah, there we go.
Cool deal.
Take your picture.
That's okay. We'll get her picture in a little bit.
That's all you
Gee, I don't
do.
want her to
It's
break your
done.
pole.
Twist it around to the beach.
Keep going, East.
Over here.
There you go.
Cool.
I can take your picture holding that pole. That's fine. You want to do?
You want another picture?
She's scared.
You want to take him off?
Lily
You want to take
don't.
him off?
She really don't care for it.
Lillian's not quite like that.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, awesome.
We caught our first bass. First try. We only been out here for what? 5 minutes? Not even? What's he doing?